Hey, Alabama. Hey, guys. I am Amy J. Whatley, and welcome back to another video. If you live in Alabama, if you have small children, then I have an organization that could be another resource in your toolbox. It's called the Alabama Partnership for Children, and they focus on improving outcomes of children from birth to age 5 in Alabama. So we'll be taking a quick look at their website. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the video. All right, guys, so we are on the website of Alabama Partnership for Children, and we are on the home page. Now, guys, as I always tell you in every video, when I bring you resources with these websites, they're so robust that I'm not going to go over every tab because the video would probably be an hour or two long and you would definitely lose interest. My goal is to bring you the resources so that you can go and do your research, okay? So I'm going to be going over the tabs, but not every single tab and everything in every single tab. So we are on the home page and of Alabama Partnership for Children. And right off the bat, you can see in this little mall, there are several slides that you can go through. And I will not go through all of them, but I do want to say that with this website, not only is this website for parents, it's also for child care providers, and there are grants available for child care providers. But let's scroll down and let's learn about this program and who they are. So as you go down, you see that the mission statement of this organization is to work in partnership with families and organizations to ensure that all Alabama children birth to 5 get everything they need to develop to their fullest potential. So in 2000, government officials, service providers, advocates, and business leaders came together to discuss and share ideas regarding the enormous needs of Alabama's young children. Perhaps the most significant outcome of these meetings was recognition of the need for improving services, streamlining coordination, and maximizing available resources. The need for a better, more synchronized structure for public private partnership led to the creation of the Alabama Partnership for Children. And so you can read about research, partnership, and foundation. You can become an advocate, you can contact them, and you can also sign up for the newsletter. All right, and here are some of their programs: Healthy Kids, Help Me Grow, Strengthening Families, Teach Alabama, Alabama Family Central, Cox Campus, First Five Alabama, and Feed Me Words. And we will be exploring each of those programs. So stay. Okay, guys, so we are on the About Us tab. And so here you can see the little mall states every Alabama child will have the opportunities to succeed in life. All right, you can read about the board of directors. You can read about the staff that makes up this organization. You can read about the blueprint for 0 to 5. And I thought that this was really interesting, so we will come back to it. But who is the Alabama Partnership for Children? The Alabama Partnership for Children, APC, is a 501c3 nonprofit organization created to develop, design, and implement a unified approach for improving outcomes of children from birth to age 5 in Alabama. This public private partnership is a distinct initiative to develop and strengthen systems, forward strategies, and increase public awareness for all early childhood programs in Alabama. The APC is guided by a diverse board of directors committed to enhancing the quality of life for children birth to 5 years in Alabama by supporting strong families, access to quality health services, and quality early learning experiences. And you can read how it was created, how it's operated, and why 0 to 5 matters. All right, and let's scroll back up to this. So, of course, like I said, there's the board of directions, there's the staff, but I wanted to see, well, I read what the blueprint for 0 to 5 is, and I just want you to see that the different blueprints that are available. So you can see what is blueprint for 0 to 5. The blueprint for 0 to 5 school readiness is a framework of measurable indicators for child well being that guides the APC's work. Using this framework, the APC directs resources and efforts towards effective actions and programs that promote the optimal development of Alabama's children birth to age 5. The blueprint for 0 to 5 school readiness is developed and supported by state leaders, local service providers, and parents to serve as a comprehensive structure for funding, advocacy, accountability, and policy decisions. And guys, you can see what the objectives are. You can read about how it works, and you can also read about the different blueprints that they have available. And so, again, these are objectives at every milestone in a child, well, from age birth to age 5, that this group of people, this board of directors and the staff, have come up with milestones for the children of Alabama age birth to 5 should meet. And I think it's really great because you can measure them. So if you go through them, you would actually see the milestones. So for instance, for age 3, which is the age of one of my grandsons, it said that he should be, for instance, having a conversation. So I thought it was really interesting. And let's check out some more tabs. All right, guys, so let's get into the meat and potatoes, as I would like to say. So, we are on the Our Work tab, and we're going to be learning about the Alabama Partnership for Children, all the different programs. So, you can see that they have Alabama Family Central, Alabama Healthy Kids, Future, Feed Me Words, First 5 Alabama, Help Me Grow Alabama, Teach, Strengthen Families. So those are the different programs. And then, of course, it gives you information on the partnerships. So let's just very quickly go over what each program is. Alabama Family Central is find the answers you're looking for to raise strong, healthy children, no matter if you are a parent, family member, caregiver, or teacher. Alabama Family Central makes finding education, healthcare, childcare, and family resources fast and easy. We're your one-stop destination, connecting you with hundreds of programs, tools, services, and supports. So guys, let me just show you what will happen when you click on each one of these programs. So for instance, we're on Alabama Family Central, right? You click on it and it tells you what Alabama Family Central is. It gives you more information, right? And then, guys, it gives you even more resources. It tells you how to contact them. It gives you more information. But check this out. It gives you another website. Click. Oh my goodness, which brings you about them, the different programs, and more resources and how to contact them. So that's why I'm saying, guys, you have to do your own research when you come to these websites because they are huge with they're stuffed with information. And of course, you can get help for your family. You can search by keyword, county, or zip code. So let's go back um, to the this page about our work so we can read about the other programs. Okay, so here's Alabama Healthy Kids, Healthy Future. The APC understands the importance of early childhood health and wellness and continuously works with partners to implement statewide obesity prevention strategies. So that's what this program is about. Feed Me Words. Feed Me Words mission is to support the language and literacy development of Alabama's youngest children from birth to age 5 by providing the adults in their lives with access to and awareness of language and literacy resources. Feed Me Words. First Five Alabama. First Five Alabama is a professional association that works to nurture strong relationships among young children and all the adults who care for them. First Five Alabama is focused on promoting the healthy social and emotional development of all Alabama children from birth through age 5. Help Me Grow. Help Me Grow Alabama is a free information and referral line that helps connect families of children birth to age 8, guys, to health and developmental resources in their communities. Strengthening Families is a research based, cost effective strategy that builds on protective factors to increase family stability, enhance child development, and reduce child abuse and neglect. And Teach Early Childhood Alabama is a scholarship program that was developed to increase the level of education and effectiveness of early learning professionals by making the educational process more affordable, increasing wages, and reducing staff turnover. So, guys, Teach Alabama, this is one of the scholarship programs that um, child care providers, like for instance, if you are like a daycare teacher or even if you are a child care provider, there's a grant for them. But what I thought was very interesting is that let's just click on it. If you are a child care provider, they will give you a grant to, a scholarship to for your education. So, for instance, let's see, what does the scholarship cover? It covers 80% of tuition, books, stipend. Okay, there's a bachelor's degree scholarship. There's a scholarship for fees. Let's look and see who's available. This is so interesting. You may be eligible for this associate degree, for instance, if you work in a DHR licensed child care facility, work a minimum of 30 hours per week, meet wage requirements. So, yeah, if you are in the field of caring for children, you could actually apply for a scholarship, which you don't have to pay back, guys. You don't pay those back to teach Alabama's children. And I thought that was awesome. And trust me, long overdue. So let's go back. I wanted you to see another one, Strengthening Families. So come on, come on, come on, come on. So as I stated before, it's this program is a research-based, cost-effective strategy to increase family stability, enhance child development, and reduce child abuse and neglect. Oh my goodness, guys! And then so here's a you can contact them here, and I just thought that was so neat because you hear stories about children, they're hungry. Now children, a lot of times they're not even showing up to class. That's a big thing now, and I don't know what's going on, but I'm glad that these programs are in place to at least try and help families. Okay, guys, so that's it for the presentation on Alabama Partnership for Children. Please be sure and check out the other tabs and especially the resources tab, which have even more links to more resources. I get so excited about doing these videos because not only do I get to help others by sharing information, but as a grandmother, if my grandchildren ever need any help, I know exactly um, how to provide that for them. I know my daughter probably thinks, "Mom, you do a little too much," but anyway, that's what grandmothers do a lot. So, as a reminder, please be sure and go to the community tab and download my ebook, Three Steps Every Parent Can Take to Help Their Special Needs Child Thrive. So, until next time, much love, much peace. Take care. Toodoo!